everyone. How many times have you heard someone saying that they are not aware that people are not buying from them? Or how many times have you thought what more should you do to keep your customers loyal towards your brand? Well, you're not the only person thinking so. In fact, every business has a sales funnel which they know by whatever name they can call, but most of them do not use it the right way. Now, what is a sales funnel? Sales funnel is the path taken by your prospective customers to become your customers. Let us understand first the different stages of a sales funnel. Let me just share my screen with you all. Yes. So as you can see, the four stages are there: awareness, interest, decision, and sales or the action stage. Now let's start from the beginning. The funnel beginning is the topmost portion, that is the awareness stage. Awareness stage is where you catch your prospective customers' attention. Then subsequently, your prospective customers reach the next level, that is the interest stage, where they search and get to know more about you and your competitors' brand's products. After a thorough study, the prospective customer is now in a position to take a decision to purchase. And finally, in the action stage, the prospective customer takes the decision to finally purchase the product. Interesting, isn't it? If you know your sales funnel, you will be able to nurture your prospective customers in the right manner to convert them into your customers. So now, next important step is to create sales funnel specific to your business, right from lead generation to conversion. Now, let me stop the screen share. Yes. So now you know what a sales funnel is and you have probably started to create it. So what next? Next is the most important is to know the importance of a sales funnel in any business. It is a known thing. Till the time you're not aware of importance of a thing, you are quite reluctant to do it. You might be thinking, why the hell should I do? So here's the why, the reason for you to have a sales funnel for your business. What do they do? Firstly, they help in slowing the cash burn. I'm sure all of you are very keen to know about this. Let me take a small example. Suppose you have a real estate agency. You give ads in different online platforms for offering sale of a flat. People who are looking to purchase flat on seeing your ad will click the link and register a visit or connect to make a visit. You now know details of the person who clicked your ad. Here they are your prospective customers. You can then review the analytics to check performance of your ad in all the platforms and to understand which platform performed well. Going ahead, you advertise only in that particular platform to get the maximum ROI. So now you can see how you have controlled your cash burn rate. There is another benefit here. Since you have all the customer details who have visited your ad but did not convert into your customers, you can again retarget them for your other properties, thus saving on the cost of generating lead again and again. Next is accurate sales forecast. You study all your sales channel and collate to understand which of the channels are performing in what manner. This helps to understand and predict the future sales revenue for your brand. Third is an improved conversion rates. Since now you're aware of the performance of your various channels, you just have to focus where the ROI is good. With more direct or renewed focus, you get an improved conversion rate. I'm sure all of you are able to relate to what I'm speaking. Lastly is a sales activity tracker. Every single activity is tracked if you have a proper sales funnel. At the end of the day, you get to know the channel that is giving you better revenue. So you also understand which of your product is most selling. With these information, you can generate more revenue with a better targeted marketing ad. So, what are you waiting for? Grab a pen and a notebook or open your laptop and start building your sales funnel if you haven't built it till now. In case you need guidance to build your sales funnel, do feel free to contact me. Do like, comment and share this video, and if you haven't subscribed till now, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. Take care.